Today we have these packs of Shopkins, and what we're going to do, we have 20 of them, and we are going to throw them in the slime bath. Elin and Evan are going to have their blindfolds on, and they are going to have to try to find them. Why don't we have some fun, guys? Let's do this!
Having fun with the Famtastic Five. Having fun with the Famtastic Five. Now let's throw them in. Found two.
Put them on the paper towel.
Found some more.
How many do you have, E?
I have
Put them on the paper towel.
Paper towel, so we can keep track of how many you have.
Count them.
3.
3. Come on. Count them. Let's go. You're doing it. Come on. You're doing it.
I win.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Evan won! All right, let's do it again. Elin, let's do it again.
I only have 4.
Slime in your face.
Mix them up. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Found
1,
1,
2 for Evan.
2 for Elin.
If you find them, put them out.
3 for Elin.
2. I found 1.
3 for Evan.
4, 5 for Elin.
Oh, I
4
lost
for Evan. 5 for Evan.
Elin.
6.
7 for Elin.
There's a socket.
7, 8, 9. 1 more for Evan. Keep on looking, Elin.
Keep going, Miss E.
I can't see anymore.
Well, I can feel it. I can
Yeah,
feel it swishing
you
around.
can't see because you got blindfolds on. You got 1 more, Evan. 1 more. I see it in there. Elin, I see yours too. Oh. And Evan has 10. Yay,
Oh, 8.
Good job,
Elin.
Elin.
8.
I only have 2 more left.
Good job, Evan.
And it's the sparkly.
Good job, Elin.
I only
All
have
right.
these 2 left. I only have these 2 left. Round 3.
1, 2, 3, go!
Found some.
1, 2, 3 for Evan.
Found 1.
4 for Evan.
2 1.
5, 6 for Evan. 7,
3, 4, 5, 6 for Elin.
8 for Evan.
7, 8 for Elin.
It's 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
9,
I think
10
that.
for Elin.
All right, Elin won.
No, I won.
Elin won. Good job. She won that one.
No, I.
Barely,
Just
barely,
barely.
barely.
Round 4. 1, 2, 3.
Found 2. Wait, please.
Got 3. 3 for Evan.
5 for Elin.
1, 2, 3, 4. 6 for Evan. 7, 8, 9. Actually 10. Evan's got 10.
I win. No, I win.
Is that it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ah.
You got 2 more. 9, 10.
Evan wins.
No,
Good job.
No.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Evan got 5 on that one.
5.
6, 7.
Yay.
I know.
Yay.
8.
I win.
Is it 10? Evan got 10.
No?
I think somebody was doing
I think somebody was doing some cheating. All right, let's give them a hand, guys. Give yourselves a hand.